What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to enable developer options on your Android device. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. First, open your device's settings and scroll down to find the About Phone or About Device option. This is where you can enable the developer options. Here, under About Phone, locate Build Number. When this is done, tap on Build Number repeatedly, usually around 7 times. You'll start seeing a countdown telling you how many taps are left. At this point, your device will prompt you to enter your device's PIN or password. This is to ensure that only you, the device owner, can access these advanced settings. Once the verification is done, you'll be greeted with a message saying you are now a developer. This means you've successfully unlocked developer options on your Android device. Next, head back to the main settings screen. Scroll down and you'll see a new entry called Developer Options. Tap on it to open a treasure trove of advanced settings. Here, you'll have the power to tweak and fine-tune various settings, from animation speed to USB debugging. Just remember, some options are pretty advanced, so tinker wisely. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.